In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze form submission data in HubSpot. If you're trying to understand how your forms are performing, where submissions are coming from, and which forms are driving the most engagement, this walkthrough will guide you through the quickest, most reliable way to see that insight using HubSpot's built-in reporting tools. First, head to the left-hand navigation and click Reporting, then select Reports. This takes you into the central place where all analytics, dashboards, and individual reports live. Think of it as your home base for turning raw data into meaningful visuals and summaries. Next, look to the top right and click Create Report. This button opens up your options for building something new. Rather than starting from scratch, we're going to move fast and use a pre-built approach that's been designed around common questions marketers and sales teams ask about their forms. From here, choose Template Report Library. This is a curated collection of ready-to-use report templates. The benefit is speed and confidence. These templates already include the right metrics, visualizations, and filters, so you can focus on what the numbers are telling you, not on building the report structure from the ground up. Once you're in the template library, use the search bar to find the form-related reports you want to analyze. Try terms like form, forms, or submissions to surface templates centered on form performance. As you browse, pay attention to the template names and descriptions. You'll see options that highlight submissions over time, top-performing forms, conversion rates, and sources contributing to form activity. Pick the template that matches your question, whether that's identifying which forms bring in the most leads, spotting trends across weeks or months, or understanding the channels that lead to the most completions. When you open a template, take a moment to read the on-screen labels and any default filters. Many templates include timeframe options and breakdowns by form name, page, or source, which makes it easier to compare performance at a glance. Use the visual cues, like line charts for trends or bar charts for rankings, to quickly interpret what's happening. If a template focuses on submissions over time, look for peaks and dips to learn when your audience is most active. If it highlights top forms, note which forms consistently lead and consider what they have in common. And there you go. With reporting, Create Report, Template Report Library, and a quick search for form templates, you're ready to analyze your form submission data with clarity and speed. That's all.